Hello everyone, so if you own a high performance laptop, specifically Acer Nitro, and you ran Cinebench to check the thermals and the performance, then you must have realized
Fucking thing sucks!
now you are not alone. I also faced the same issue in which the Cinebench score would come to 12,000, which is underperforming if you look up the web. So, to solve this overheating issue, I went to the Acer service center to get my laptop cleaned and replaced it. And after that, still,
Fucking thing sucks!
now I knew I had to take matter in my own hands. So I tried a couple of methods listed on the web, like limiting my processor's maximum power state, underclocking the CPU using throttle stop, and the worst of all, turning off turbo. I mean really, why will you do this stuff? Anyways, all these methods did result in the decrease of temperatures. However, they also decrease the performance.
Fucking thing sucks!
So after all the attempts, I convinced myself that this is a hardware issue, and the only hardware solution on Reddit was replacing it with a better thermal paste or Honeywell PTM 7950, which is not easily available in my region. So I bought the Gelid GC Extreme paste, which was highly recommended by Reddit, and went to the Acer service center again for its application. Where it went wrong, I immediately ran Cinebench to check the thermals and the performance, and the results were although still,
Fucking thing sucks!
so I could not solve the overheating issue completely, but changing the thermal paste did make a significant jump in the performance. I noticed that the CPU earlier was taking only 50 watts on average when ambient temperatures were high, but now the CPU goes to even 115 watts. And when the temperature increased to 100, the power dropped to 95 watts, and then it throttled to about 85 watts. Now since I got such results just by changing the thermal paste, I'm considering liquid metal too, since I saw some users on Reddit who made their system fully thermal stable by using it. And if I do that, I will share my experience on this channel, so please subscribe, and if you found this helpful, please like and share. And also please buy a laptop stand instead of a cooling pad.
Fucking thing sucks!